In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in Shopify. This is an essential skill for anyone managing an online store, as a well-organized menu helps customers navigate your site more easily, find what they're looking for, and ultimately increase your sales. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to start by accessing your Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, locate the store link, usually situated on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will bring you to your store's home screen, where you can manage various aspects of your site. From here, look for the Content section. This is where you'll manage all the written components of your store, including posts, pages, and of course, menus. Click on Content to proceed. With the Content section open, you now need to look for Menus. The Menus area is crucial for setting up navigation on your site, allowing you to organize products, blog posts, and other pages into an easy-to-use layout for your visitors. Go ahead and click on Menus. Now you're in the Menus section. This is where you'll see any existing menus you've already created and where we'll go ahead to create a new one. So let's get started by clicking on the Create Menu button. This button is your gateway to structuring how your visitors will explore your Shopify store. Once you've clicked Create Menu, you'll be prompted to name it. Be thoughtful about your menu name. Ideally, it should reflect the content or destination the menu links will point to. Consider using names like Main Menu, Footer Links, or Shop Categories to help identify its purpose easily later on. After naming your menu, you'll want to add items to it. These menu items will be the links that your customers click on to navigate around your site. Click on Menu Items to start populating your new menu. Now, think strategically, perhaps including links to your best-selling products, latest collections, or any blog content you want to highlight. With your menu items added, you'll now need to save your progress to ensure your new menu is available on your site. To do this, simply click the Save button. Saving your work is always a good habit because it prevents any unwelcome surprises later on, like losing the menu setup you worked hard to create. And just like that, you've successfully created an organized menu in Shopify. You can now see your creation in action and watch how it enhances your customers' shopping experience. Remember, a well-thought-out menu can significantly improve site navigation and ultimately customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in and happy menu making.